Come here. Hi. Hi. Kelly, hi. What you got there? Something you shouldn't have. Hi. Oh, that's Brennan's artwork. Thank you. Thank you.
Hi, ladies. Yeah, I'm coming, sorry.
Okay, I think you girls are going down for your